Hello, welcome back to Barcelona, Mobile World Congress 2023. I'm back at the OPPO booth and this is pretty cool. This is called OPPO Zero-Power Tag. This is it here, and we're talking about harvesting energy from radio waves all around us, all from a heated environment. So this thing has no battery, it's purely pulling power from the air, and it's able to talk to this phone and tell me that it is 25 degrees in here, so it's a little bit warm, but it's cold outside, and also it can say where it is. In this case, it says desk left. It's not there now because I've taken it off, but this is super cool stuff. So if you want to know where we're heading, imagine it, having devices around the place with no battery, just getting power from the air. It's been one of those ultimate goals for technology companies to try and get. It's not free energy, it's out there, but using radio waves to power this, to talk to this, is absolutely sensational. This video and many more from Mobile World Congress 2023 made possible by Belkin. And just before this trip to Spain, I unboxed a whole heap of new gear from Belkin that will protect your phone, make using your phone a lot easier with wireless charging, the best iPhone and Android wireless chargers you can buy. The best cables too. Belkin has been a world leader in technology accessories for more than 4 decades, so when you're shopping for accessories, think Belkin first. Thanks to Belkin as always, and hopefully this Zero Power Tag technology can come our way very soon. See you in the next video.